Junior year, buckle up. It can be one overworked, underslept year. It's tough, but remember, you're not alone. Your friends are all struggling to survive the tests, essays, and projects too. And one more thing, you really need to prepare for college as well. Tell your friends and family that you're going to college. Once your friends know, they can be able to help you get there. Make sure you do your best on the Regents exams. Choose which test you will take out of the SAT, SAT subject test, and ACT, and do your best at them. Narrow down the list of colleges you're interested in and focus on what those colleges want in a student. Look for scholarships and grants that you qualify for because it's free money. Take some of your very few free minutes to work towards college. It's hard because right now you have a million other things to think about, but don't let college slip from your mind. If you don't start preparing now, you'll regret it down the line. Don't worry, there is a light on the horizon. You can take some road trips this summer. Well, to tour colleges.